Hi friends, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Lohit here from the Digital Marketing Agencies. In this video today now I am going to show you that how to connect a Google Analytics code to Google Search Console. So let's see. First of all, it's a very easiest way that you can connect it. So first of all, what you need to do is that you need to go to this Google Analytics. So this was the Google Analytics. So first again, I'm going to show you here itself only. First of all, you need to go to this google.com. So in this google.com, you need to enter the website name is Google Analytics. Analytics. Let's let's search for the Google Analytics. So and then you need to click on the main website of analytics.google.com. So after you have gone to this website of analytics.google.com, what you need to do is that it's a very simplest way that I'm going to connect to Google Search Console. So let's see once all of you now it's my network is loading very slowly, so let's wait once all of you now. Okay, so now in this Google Analytics you need to go to the option. It has acquisition option. Did you heard this acquisition option is there? No, so you need to click on this acquisition option. In this acquisition option you need to select as search console. In this search console, you need to select landing pages. Let's click on this landing page. Here it is asking that you need to set up a Google Search Console data for sharing. So let's click on this setup search console. First of all, now I'm going to let us see what you need to do is you need to click on the adjust search console. Wait once all of you. Let us be wait for 1 or 2 minutes. So it's my network is running very slowly, so that's why. In the meanwhile, now I'm going to the Google Search Console. So if you have already created a Google Search Console, so let's see. Now I'm going to this google.com and let's go to this website as Google Search Console. Google Search Console. Let's click on this Google Search Console. So that means already I have an account of this Google Search Console, and in the meanwhile, I'm going to show you the example here. So first of all, let's click on this start now, or otherwise, if you already have an account of this Google Search Console, then directly you need to go to this property. Let's click on the start now. Now let's see again. I'm going to reload this page here. Let's click on reload this my page. So this was the example that I have already created itself only. I'm going to show in this video itself. So let us be wait now how I'm going to connect to Google Analytics to Google Search Console. Let's wait. Okay, now what you need to do is now you need to click on adjust search console is there. No, so you need to click on the button as adjust search console. Let's click it here. And now what you need to do is you need to add your blog. Let's click on add. And then you need to select your property. Whatever you have created a new blog, so you need to select that blog. Okay, now this was my blog only that I have selected. Let's click on this continue. Okay, now what you need to do is now you need to click on this associate. Okay, now it has been connected successfully. It's a very easy way, easiest way. No, so let's say now again I'm going to refresh this analytics. Let's wait all of you. Now I'm going to show you here. Okay, now enable news. Let's click on selected all website that I just now whatever I have selected my blog site. Now now the blog site, my blog site is here only, so that's why it has been connected successfully. So let's click on the save button. That's all, guys. For the today's topic is that how to connect a Google Search Console to Google Analytics. And if you all are having any doubts regarding about this topic of Google Search Console to Google Analytics, so please comment me in my YouTube channel, everyone, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, everyone, and click a bell icon from here. And if you all are having any doubts, please comment me. I'll be give reply 100% surely. Thank you all. Thank you so much, everyone.